Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to check Allianz policy details and coverage in your account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To check Allianz policy details and coverage in your account, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, type in Allianz login. Then look for an option that says login to the account, and then simply tap on it. And once you're inside on the home page, if you don't find a login option, simply tap on the login option on the top right corner of the screen, and then you'll be prompted to enter your username or email and then your password. Then simply tap on login to your account. Then once logged in, simply tap on the horizontal bar on the top left corner or top right corner of the screen, and on the dashboard also you'll be provided my policies, my insurance, policy overview and your contract. Simply tap or click it. This page shows all your active and past policies. Now the second step is to select the policy you want to view. For examples like travel insurance, health insurance, car insurance and home insurance, life insurance and gadget insurance. Simply tap the policy name to open it, and to view your policy details inside the policy page you can see coverage summary, what is covered, what is not covered, and limit amounts as well, start and end date, when your insurance begins, when it expires and auto renewal information, your policy number useful for claims or customer service, and your documents like full policy wording, coverage certificate, receipts or invoices. And you can also simply tap on download to save the item. You can also check coverage limits in details, as most Allianz portals have section called coverage breakdown, benefits and limits, and what's covered. And here you can see medical coverage limit, trip cancellation limit, baggage loss limit, car accident coverage, home item coverage, and personal liability, etc. This shows exactly how much you are protected as well. You can also check for premium payments by looking for payments, billing and invoices, which can view how much you paid, when the next payment is due, and download receipt for tax purposes. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.